Hey everybody, we're back with segment number 2 of episode number 76 of Kevin's Corner, Real Estate from a Marketing Perspective. And we just got done with segment 1. Everybody knows who this is. If you've seen the podcast or you hang around with me or do business with me or come to my events or anything like that, my classes, she's usually there. This is Nas from Revolve Mortgage. Say hi, everybody.
Hi everybody. Hi Kevin. Thanks for having me again.
This
Yes.
is your 4th time on the podcast.
This is fourth time, yes. I'm aiming for 10, maybe 20 times. What do you think?
Were you on the very first episode
Yes.
with Gina?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I was.
So Nas was on the very first episode, and then she's been on a couple more since then. But I wanted to bring her on so she can update you guys on everything she does. And we're also gonna talk about where you're from and the other language you speak. And by the way, she doesn't like her voice, so I'm gonna make her talk a lot. So, so introduce yourself. Say hi.
If there is one person on earth can make me talk in front of camera, is you, Kevin.
Yes.
So
that's what I'm here for.
I was always behind the camera.
Yes.
And I really didn't like, but I'm getting used to it. Yes.
So tell everybody who you are and what you do.
Okay, so as he said, you know my name. I'm Nas. I'm a mortgage lender. I'm still with Revolve Mortgage.
Inside joke.
Yeah, I think it's almost a year.
Yeah.
But I've been lender for the last 3 years. And
What kind of what first tell everybody what about Revolve Mortgage? Who are they and where are they located and things like that?
Revolve Mortgage is kind of a small company, but we are expanding very quickly. Our main office is in Denver.
In Colorado?
Yes, and we are licensed is I think in 30 states.
Okay.
But I'm licensed in Texas. But my company is we are getting more license for different state too. So,
And how long
and
is
we
Revolve?
are a broker.
You're broker. How long have they been
Yeah.
in business?
My company was like I think 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tell everybody the difference between Revolve and let's say one of your competitors that you don't actually do the lending. You're a broker, right?
Yes.
Tell everybody what the difference is.
So we are brokers, and we have almost 100 different lenders, and that gave me a chance to work on different scenario. So if I have a borrower that they don't have any document, they just move here, they don't have a job, I have a lender that they can give them a loan. If they
Really?
Yeah. So
Wow.
yeah, I just no, not just 3 months ago I closed a no doc loan.
Okay.
And it was kind of easy because I was like, okay, what else do you need? They said, that's it. I was like, that's it? That's a no doc loan, you just the
Wow.
IDs and, the address and contract. And it takes a little bit longer than regular loan, but less document. So, what any kind of borrower I have, I can shop around. I can see which lender give them the better rate, which lender is more suitable for their situation that they are in. And that's why I like Revolve. And one of our great, we have the best processor.
You have the best processor.
I think she's the best. Her name is Susan. I want to say thank you to her from here because since she joined our company, she makes everything much easier for all of us.
Really?
Yes, she's
Hi, Susan.
amazing.
How you doing?
Yeah, I hope she never leave us. So yeah, it's very, very important. I think that having a good processor is very important because she helps you to, run everything faster and smoother. And she connect with my borrower. She update them constantly, every step. And then she's really great at solving problem without my help most of the time. And that gave me more time to focus on my marketing, and generating more leads. Um,
What kind of programs does Revolve offer your clients? You guys have programs for basically anybody that first time buyers, people with bad credit, low credit, things like that. Do you guys have something specific that you would want to talk about today?
Oh, so we have one program is with just 1% down payment.
1%.
1% down payment, and we add 2%, and it's a grant, and they don't have to pay it back, and there is no mortgage insurance. So it helped their DTI.
I want an application.
And no, you have to
3%?
have. No, sir, you are a high income. No, you
How
cannot
do you
get
know?
that.
You don't know what they pay.
Come
me.
on, I know that.
Is this for low income people?
Yes, it is for
Oh.
low income people.
Well, why do low income people get all the benefits? I don't understand.
Because you don't need it. They need it.
I need a lot of help.
No, I don't know your financial situation, but I'm just hoping that you don't need that, okay?
So 1% with a 2% grant gives you 3% down, and no mortgage insurance.
Yes.
That mortgage insurance right there reduces your payment by $40 to $50 a month,
Yes.
depending on the amount of loan.
Yeah, so it's easier for us to approve them.
Wow, because I know I had MPI in my mortgage for 15 years until I could finally get them to take it off. What about first-time home buyers? You got a first-time home buyer program?
Yes.
Any other special programs?
Any other special? We have some lenders that they can cover their closing cost, but it depends on the different scenario. And then it's not all the other lender do that. Some of them they can help like $5,000 to cover their closing cost. That's another good program, but still it depends on their income.
So you're a mortgage, what do you call yourself? A mortgage broker, mortgage lender?
I'm a lender.
Lender.
Yeah. Well,
How do you see, now that we've gotten through 2024, basically, we gotten through the election, what do you think is going to happen next year?
I don't want to talk about politics.
No, we're
But
talking about politics.
I know, no, but I think after election, everybody's have
You think it's going to get
hard.
better?
Yes,
Yeah, I hope
everybody
it-
thinks the economy is gonna get better. Not everybody. Most of the people think economy is gonna get better.
But what do you think?
So I think the same. Yeah.
Okay.
I think next year, maybe not this year, but next year the rate drop. But it's not gonna happen in one night. Rates are gonna drop gradually, slowly, but eventually it's gonna happen.
Okay. So you think that next year should be a better year than what we've experienced?
Yes, we all need a better economy. We all need a better year. I think it wasn't very good year for all of us.
So let's talk about marketing a little bit, and if you want to mention your friends, you can. So tell everybody what you do to market your business.
Okay, so when I
And
started,
when I meant your friend, I didn't mean me. I meant Shiva.
oh, okay. So when I started this business, I kind of didn't know how to market myself, and then I called and I start just calling agent, and this amazing, beautiful agent, and she was so nice. And the moment I called her, I said, "Hey, I'm a lender, I'm new," and she said, "Yo, okay, let's meet, let's talk." And she started giving me leads, and she. I think I already met you, but I thought you're not gonna help me because I'm not a real estate agent.
You
for
tell me
marketing.
that all the time.
Yes, that was so mean, and I was like, I'm kidding. No, you didn't say that.
No, it's on
So-
it's on the podcast. that was mean, right? Yes.
No. So I knew that you're helping with agents, and then she was saying, "Hey, why don't you go to Kevin and ask her?" I was like, "I'm lender. I don't think he helped me." She was like, "No, he's helping you." And then I came to you, remember, and I was a little bit shy, and I was like, "Hey, Shiva said you can help me." Remember that? And then since then, you helped me a lot. This is one of them that I would never, speak in front of camera, and then you teach me a lot. And even though I'm not a good student, but
She's a good student. She's just not consistent.
yeah, I'm not. And I think the consistency is the key.
Yeah, it's for everything.
It is the key for
Yeah.
everything. yeah,
But you do a lot of stuff on social media and stuff. And the reason why I mentioned Shiva is because if you guys want to, I know Fola does really good TikTok videos, but if you want to see some other good TikTok videos, you need to see Shiva and Nas's videos. So they don't dance, but they act, and it's hilarious.
yes. Sorry for I don't know how to dance, but I heard you are very good. Maybe she can teach
Teach
us.
you,
I
yeah.
guess.
Mhm.
So yeah, it was like okay. The TikTok started like I told Shiva, hey, I don't like my voice, and English is second language, and obviously you can hear my thick accent. I was like, I don't want people make fun of me, and let's make videos that we don't have to talk. And that's how we made all those
Yeah.
funny video and we don't talking.
Yeah, I remember one where you did where I think, if I remember correctly, you were laying on the kitchen counter. So I guess I'm right because you're
Yes.
laughing. You were laying on the kitchen counter and Shiva was doing something else, and it was hilarious. They don't talk, but there's words on the screen, so you get what they're doing. Um, but yeah, it's just entertaining. But they get a point across.
Yes.
It's about real estate,
Yeah.
and there's lots of them online. So tell everybody a little bit about what you might want to do in the future to grow your business, marketing wise.
Um, I think I'm gonna listen to you more. That's the first thing, and be more consistent. But I'm gonna start like working on my YouTube, which I
Yes.
haven't done anything on that one because I'm mostly active on Facebook and Insta and TikTok. But I think YouTube is another. It's completely different.
I'm
Um,
I'm actually considering writing up a CE class for that for next year.
oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, so I'm going to
Oh.
teach everybody how to start using their YouTube channel.
Okay, that's
So
a great idea. Okay, I
you'll
will
be
be
there.
there.
You'll be
Yes, yes.
there. And then, do you have a Google My Business page for your business?
Yes, I
You
do.
do. Okay,
Yes,
good
I do.
job.
You remember we did it
Yeah.
together.
Is it live? Is it verified?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. If somebody approaches you that needs a loan for a house,
Mm-hmm.
how does that initial first conversation go? What are you looking for from them, and what can they expect?
The first thing I ask them is, how's your credit?
Yeah,
you know,
it's all
and
based on
then
credit. Yeah.
yes, because that's the kind of most important thing. And then about their income. Do they have a job? Do they have 2 years history? Do they have so there are few items that they are crucial. One is credit score. Another thing is their tax return, and that if they are W-2, it doesn't matter, whatever. And another thing is they have to have their money, their down payment and the closing cost in their account for the at least last 60 days. This is very important.
Right.
Not in your closet, not in your pillow, not in your mom's safe, in your bank account.
Yeah.
And another thing is very important. After all we pass all this process, I really want to ask everybody, please listen to your agent and listen to your lender. Don't listen to your cousin, your neighbor, your coworker that somebody bought the house. Oh, why do you ask me this one? Why is that happened? My cousin did this. Please listen to the professional team that you are working with them and trust them.
And if someone comes to you and needs help with their credit or a down payment or something like that, do you have the resources to help them?
Yes, we have down payment assistant.
What about, do you know anybody with that? Can you help them with credit repair?
I can, but it depends on how much is their credit card. I need time. Sometimes it takes like 2 months. Sometimes it takes 1 month. It depends, but I can give them the plan, and I tell them, okay, go do this, and then your credit score gonna be like this.
Okay, and then what is a credit score that is basically the bottom credit score that you can expect someone to get approved for a mortgage?
Mm-hmm.
Like if someone walks in with a 400 credit score, obviously that's going to be like, no, it's not going to happen. But it's got to be at least what?
Oh, it depends the program, conventional or FHA. FHA is a little bit easier, so it's around like 540, but it's gonna be tough.
That's low.
Yes, it's getting, so it depends. Uh, it's better when you decide or you plan to buy a home, work on your credit score because you get a better rate.
The higher the credit score, the better the
Yes.
rate. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you guys have probably noticed by listening to her talk that she's not originally from the United States. So where are you from?
I'm Persian.
That didn't tell me where you're from.
I'm from Persia or Iran.
There you go.
Not
Okay.
Iran, okay?
Iran.
Iran.
Iran. Okay. And so you speak
Farsi.
Farsi. Tell everybody something in Farsi.
سلام، ممنون که به این پادکست گوش کردین. اگر میخواین خونه بخرین یا میخواین وام بگیرین با من تماس بگیرین.
Okay, great. Now, from my perspective, since I don't know what you just said, say it again in English.
I said, hello, thank you for watching the podcast. If you're looking for a home or a loan, contact me.
Give me your phone number.
My phone number is 832-572-8345.
And do you have email?
Yes, it's nasrin@revolvemtg.com.
Okay, awesome. So this is, I just call her Nas from Revolve Mortgage. It's a lot easier. Thank you for being on the podcast again.
Thank
This
you
is
for
her
having
fourth
me.
time. If you guys need a mortgage broker, a lender, you need a loan, please give her a call. She's got all kinds of options. Don't be afraid to approach her with a situation that you're in because she'll let you know for sure whether or not she can help you or she can't. And if she can't, she'll tell you what you need to do so she can get you in the category where she can help you. And with her having all the options and all the different lenders you can go to, there's a good chance she's going to be able to help you with something.
Mm-hmm.
Give me your phone
Thank
number
you.
one more time.
832-572-8345.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank
This
you.
has been Kevin's Corner Real Estate from a Marketing Perspective, number 76. Thank you for watching. And again, if you're a real estate agent or a vendor that wants to be on the podcast, give me a call, 832-654-0527. Thank you to Jennifer Smitis, Caitlin Korner, Devin, and Kate Cannon, and everybody that works at Stewart Title. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is coming up. The end of the year is coming up, so you guys have a great time with the holidays. We will see you next week. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.